Staying at the Ambassador Hotel Sukhumvit on Soi 11. This is the front entrance, or one of them. There's a couple front entrances. Got a parking lot to the left. It's a massive place, the complex. It's got like 4 restaurants, coffee shops. This here is a convention center. It's got 2 wings, this wing and the wing over there. To check in, you actually check in over here. The pool's just here and the gym's just behind it. Right, the fitness club. You see the fitness club sign up there. You can actually buy membership daily, weekly, monthly, even if you don't live here. But if you live here, you can use it as much as you like.
Lift กำลังขึ้นค่ะ going up.
You can still walk through the convention center to get into the lobby, but it's quicker you just get the taxi to drop you off here. And this is the square ring. So 2 different wings, square ring, square wing, and the other ring. I think all the suites are in the other wing. There's the lobby section. Have these amazing fish tanks in both wings. So yeah, so to the sky wing where I'm saying, that's where all the suites are. It's got a swimming pool, fitness center, spa, restaurant, three restaurants, sushi bar, espresso, lobby lounge, convention hall. We've got heaps. Over here's all the suits and stuff. Right, over here you got all the convention center. It's part of the hotel, but it's not where you check in. Right, where you check in is all the way down there in the square wing. Go there now. Well, this wing's only got 6 floors. Apparently on the 3rd floor is where the pool is. From the pool you can actually walk over to the other wing, I've been told. Swimming pool here. And the gym is in the other wing. pool area. Gym's up there with a sauna. From here, if you want to go to the other wing, you got the stairs in that way. We're just going up to the fitness centre from the pool. Look in the pool. That's the other wing there. They've got a Muay Thai, everything here. Boxing. Open 7 AM to 9 PM. Yeah, massive setup. They've got a squash court here too. Aerobics. Everything you need. Yeah, there's also a sauna up here too. So where the gym is, you go down the stairs, you can get to the sky wing that way, or you can just walk this way and also get to the sky wing. Standard lift in this wing has a key access. The other wing didn't have a key access to the wing, the rooms anyway. But this one, if you want to go up, you have to have a card.
8th floor.
Oh, it's a quick tour of the Ambassador Hotel. It's not as good as the Landmark Hotel, but it's up there. It's got a lot more facilities, but older facilities. Yeah, I'm only here for 3 days. Any questions, let me know. Sorry, I forgot to record inside the bathroom, but yeah, good bathroom, big, large shower area with a overhead shower, everything you need. Anyway, any questions, leave a comment below, like, and I've got plenty more videos coming up. Thank you.